Hey, creatives. I have a ridiculous headache today, so you're getting a voiceover. My message today is simple. I want you to imagine yourself a little bit in the future. In a few years' time, if you don't quit, you're going to be able to look back and see a body of work. You're going to see how much you've grown. You're going to see that you have techniques that you never could have dreamed of today. I know it doesn't feel like you're making much progress right now because progress never feels like it's happening while it happens. But you are making progress, and even slow and steady can have a real effect over time. So don't be discouraged. Don't feel down. Look forward to that time when you're going to be able to look back and go, wow, I have come a long way. Your art is worth it, and so are you. Now sit down with me, my fellow creative, and let's make something new.